Hello everyone, I'm Taylor, and I'm excited to present this video on behalf of Future Wallet. Today we'll be diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency by answering an important question. What exactly is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is a digital tool designed to store, manage, and transfer your digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Future Token, and other tokens. Think of it as your personal secure vault, but instead of holding physical cash, it stores your digital assets. There are various types of crypto wallets, each tailored to offer a balance between security, convenience, and accessibility. How do crypto wallets work? Using Future Wallet as an example, private and public keys. Let's break it down using Future Wallet as an example. While a crypto wallet doesn't actually store your cryptocurrencies directly, it holds two very important things: your private and public keys. These keys are essential for accessing and managing your funds. Public key. Think of your public key like a bank account number. You can share it with others, and they can send you cryptocurrency. Private key. Your private key, however, is your most sensitive piece of information. It's like your password or PIN, something only you should know. It grants you full control over your funds and allows you to authorize transactions. Keeping your private key safe is vital because if someone else gains access to it, they could access and move your funds. In essence, Future Wallet helps you safeguard these keys, ensuring that your digital assets remain secure and easily accessible whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content on crypto and digital finance. Stay tuned for more tips and guides from Future Wallet.